Hello, my name is Fran Rabanal Garcia. I was born in Trujillo, Peru. I live with my parents, my brother, and our pet me in Catalina. I am currently studying business administration, and my favorite subject are marketing and human resources. I work at my new unit, and my current position is administrative assistant. And my free time, I enjoy watching movies and playing in the soccer and playing video games. I am taking the course because I believe it will help my improve my professional life. Thank you.